Okay, so now what is NADH plus? Sorry, not only what is NADH? So NADH is a reduced form of NAD plus. It is also coenzyme. It works as a reducing agent and oxidizes itself while reducing the other compounds. Okay, it works as a reducing agent. So NADH, where H is mentioning those moieties, they act as a reducing agent, and those are oxidizes. They oxidizes themselves while reducing the other compound by transferring hydrogen hydride. Hence, NADH is useful in many catabolic reactions as an electron carrier. Furthermore, NADH acts as a coenzyme in the citric acid cycle. NADH also acts as a cofactor by many enzymes such as alcohol dehydrogenase, etc. Additionally, NADH has a HEPA activity and plays a role in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. Okay, so this is the reducing agent NADH. So here are two hydrogens are present. Okay, so only this is the difference. If there is if aromaticity is maintained with positive charge on nitrogen, so that species we can call NAD plus, and if aromaticity is lost and one extra hydrogen is present here, okay, then that structure we can call it's a NADH. So now next moiety is NADPH. Okay. So NADPH stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So what is the name? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. As the name suggests, in addition to the chemical composition of NADH, there is additional phosphate group in NADPH. Okay, so here is the additional phosphate group. Okay, so additional phosphate group in compared to the NADH. So here is the NADH structure. Here is no additional functional groups. Is hydroxyl group are there. Here is also hydroxyl group here. Now if we will see the structure of NADPH, one of the hydrogen atom from the hydroxyl is getting replaced by this phosphate group. So this structure is nothing but the NADPH. Okay, so NAD plus, if we will modify a little bit, then we will get structure of NADH. NADH structure, if we will modify a little bit, then we will get structure of NADPH. Okay, so just pay attention on these things. And NADPH is nothing but the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. As the name suggests, in addition to the chemical composition of the NADH, there is an additional phosphate group. It is coenzyme which acts as a reducing agent in most reactions, mainly in anabolic reaction. This is also acts as a reducing agent in different anabolic reactions. Also, it plays an important role in lipid metabolism and nucleic acid metabolism. So this is the role of NADPH. So now, how the NADPH and NADH in which things they do react or act. So here the structure difference in between NADH and NADPH. So pay attention. NADH molecule, just we replace one of the H from hydroxyl group of NADH, we will get NADPH. And NADH is vital for cellular respiration, and NADPH is crucial for photosynthesis. Okay, this is the main difference. Both are reducing agent, but one is playing its role in plant metabolism, and another NADH is playing role in cellular respiration. Okay, synthesis or generation of NADPH mainly takes place through the pentose phosphate pathway. Also, NADPH is synthesized via enzyme reaction which uses NADH kinase. In mitochondria, NADH kinase converts NADH to NADPH. In plants, NADPH formation occurs during the light reaction of photosynthesis. So this is the difference between NADH and NADPH, and also NAD plus. Okay, so now what are the similarities in between NAD plus and NADH and NADPH? So that we will see just now.